Good afternoon. My name is Glenn, Looking Fine Web Design, and welcome to our tutorial series on how to work with WordPress and build your own website. On the current screen that we're on, when you first install WordPress, this is what your dashboard will look like. It'll have all kinds of information. We're currently in 2.14. And WordPress 3.8 is the current version running. And this welcome screen will give you some information on working with WordPress, a little bit about it. One of the really nice things about WordPress now is that it is mobile. Mobile responsive is probably a word you've heard a lot, meaning that it'll work on pretty much every device, your smartphone, your tablet, be it your iPad or any notebook, desktop, any device that you want to work on building your website, with even some fun color schemes. These apply to the back end of the WordPress website when you're working on it. And getting started, and what we're going to work with in this course is we're going to work with the 2014 theme, because it is a default theme for WordPress and it's accessible for everybody. It's a magazine style theme, but there are literally hundreds and hundreds of WordPress themes that you can have for your website, either free or paid. So we're just going to stick with the basic free 2014 theme that comes with WordPress in these tutorials. What you're going to have to do before you start working with WordPress is you're going to have a way to develop it. Now, you could develop it live online if you want. Go out and get your own domain name. For example, lookingfinewebdesign.com is our website. And you could go out and get yourself a server at HostGator or Bluehost, or there's all kinds of hosting companies out there that would gladly sell you some hosting. The other way to do it, which is more advisable, because you can work on your website on your personal computer, would be to develop something like a WAMP. WAMP server is for Windows. It will create a local environment right on your machine, and it's free. If you go to wampserver.com, you could download and install that on your personal device. If you're on a Macintosh computer, then you'll want to go to MAMP, and it's basically the exact same thing as WAMP, but it's for Macintosh computers. Or you can go to Bitnami, is another resource, and it allows you one-click installs of all the different content management systems, so a lot of them anyway. WordPress is a content management system. Some of the big competitors you may have heard of are Drupal and Joomla, Dreamweaver. But WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Dreamweaver, those are some of the heavy hitters. But this course is exclusively just going to be working on WordPress. It's free, open source software, and it's getting close to now 20% of all the websites in the world use WordPress. So it's a very, very large community. So you've got a lot of resources at your disposal, and it's once you get involved with it, you will find that it's a very humble community too, a very friendly community. We're going to work on a local environment. It's called a .dev site, and that's using desktop server. If you go to desktopserver.com, it's kind of nice because it will allow you to create a local environment on your website with a .dev domain, and that's desktopserver.com. The premium version we're working on here, but there is a free version that you can work with as well. So that's kind of an introduction to WordPress. We're going to go through the complete dashboard, posts, pages, everything that you're going to need to set up a personal website. And I hope you really enjoy these tutorials. I'll try to do them in between 5 and 10-minute blocks so that you can do a little bit at a time. And this is the conclusion of the first tutorial. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.